How's it going, everybody? I just got the exhaust disconnected from the engine, or from the exhaust manifold. It's completely off now. All I'm going to do is get rid of these zip ties that I decided to put on like 10 minutes ago. So, get you set up, and then we'll get it. That works good. Alright, so now we're going to do a test, or a start, see if it's any louder or any quieter. I'm going to label this a cold start because snow's back. They're calling for about 12 inches, so full foot. Alright, give me a second just to get everything ready, move these scooters, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to be lazy and just leave those there. I just closed the hood and moved a couple things. Let's get this piece of crap out of here. Before you yell at me for taking this out, it's not the original. Alrighty. This is gonna be loud. Actually, it might not be that much louder. Let's press the pedal knob, not the gas pedal. Alright. Oh, that would have been bad. She's in neutral. Here we go. Give her a little bit of gas. Sounds good, actually. Not bad. One more, just for the sake of it. Last one. Come on, choke on. All right, here we go. Alright, that actually sounds pretty good. I'm very, very, very happy with that. And now it's all smoky. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. I will see you probably later this week, as I'm going to be finishing this, which will be up later this week. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya.